been around the block, that one.
Yeah. You got a trail like a snail.
I'll see your rudder turn. We're gonna stay higher if you want to go low, Colin.
I'll go mid.
Okay.
I know you like going low too.
I'm a low. Coming in.
There's
no reference on where you're at. No, you need to have like the beep or that little screechy noise thing when you go by. Yeah. When you're backing up. Yeah. You need to make some kind of noise.
Sorry I dipped on you. You kind of flopped that way for me.
At least yours is yellow, you can fucking see
Yeah, I know, right?
This thing here, you turn it the wrong way and fucking the blue and the white. I'm staying low here underneath you.
Yeah. He does.
Making me change my mind. Yeah. I fucking never had one good one yet. This motherfucker runs like a top. Unlike the idling thing, but that's just the guy I bought it from had a few hits. I've screwed that low end needle in almost a turn and a half today. To stop it from dying when I go to land, it keeps dying. Right? So I got no choice. I was like, you're coming in. I'm going to stay up here, whatever you're doing, I'll stay above you.
Oh yeah, she's balanced.
Right?
Yeah, she's balanced.
There's definitely no shortage of vertical with this motherfucker. That little fucking electric plane's like a slingshot. You come out of there, man, it was gone.
Yeah, when
you come out of that little loop there.
Usually I'm going really fast.
Yeah.
So I mean slow, but...
Hey, you come out of that loop, man, it was like, it was gone. We did do the tiger this time. Oh, fuck.
Yeah, I got mine on too.
Well, she definitely likes wide open.
Yeah, I'm gonna come down.
Okay.
Me too.
At full throttle.
Yeah.
Not a whole lot of rudder authority there. She just kept going straight. Landing.
Oh, that's a lovely breeze.
Oh, it's beauty. Uh-oh, what happened? Oh, you made retracts.
Yeah, instant retract.
What the fuck? So you're saying target practice? Low flying target practice? Hey?
I know.
This is so in his wheelhouse of yanking, bank, and full throttle.
Well, it's a great plane.
Yeah,
I did this. It's fast.
$75, man. I couldn't pass it on.
No. You were scared of that engine, eh? And you were scared of that engine.
I don't like Super Tiger, man. I've never had one that ran right.
And now you got one.
And this one here, if I get that low end tweaked and stop stalling on me, it's freaking perfect. And I don't care if it's nitro or not. Frick, I got tons of nitro. We should grab that from Rob, eh?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I got tons of nitro. I literally just want one that's got higher content.
No, we should take it. No, take the high one. I don't know.
I'll grab the higher content because I got all kinds of 15s.
You told me that a long time ago we had it.
I didn't even know, man, until now. So I'll see if we grab it.
I forgot about it, actually.
We'll flip.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Well, you live in town now.
Yeah,
you can
yeah,
get
I
it whenever you
grab
want.
it. I'll grab it and see if he wants to get it on the way home or something.
Actually, you and I are pretty much the only guys that really fly
I know,
nitro
fly a
anymore.
lot of nitro still. Coming in hot. Not that hot.
I'm down low still. You're lower than me though.
I thought you were going up, right? I don't know. That's just a force of habit I do. When I turn, I bank upwards, right? Just because of the tree line over there.
Depends. Usually I just try to keep smooth and I just
40,
turn.
Well, actually, we better think about coming in there. So I'm going to see if you go by, I'll see if I can hear this thing enough to.
Oh, I didn't turn my timer on.
Yeah, I got only 48 seconds left. So.
Okay, I'm coming in when you're done. As soon as you come down.
I'm in the glide here. So.
Still right.
Oh, listen! Listen to that.
It's running good.
She is there. She's chattering.
You're going around.
On another room. Don't go throttle too hard. I heard that chatter. You heard that, right?
Yeah.
She is dialed.
No, it's
That
good.
two-stroke chatter
Yeah.
is what you want.
Now you just gotta slow her down now. No, she's running right.
Yeah, that is
Told
right,
you
up,
it had to
right
do-
on the money.
It was set up for rich when you were,
so rich. So I'm going to try again here.
but it was cold when you were flying it.
I heard the chatter. It's like, oh, you
Yeah.
are dialed. Listen to you. Oh, yeah. Slow down, girl.
You going around again?
I just killed it.
Yeah, I might as well.
Because I won't slow down. You probably couldn't land there. But the throttle cut it. It kept going and going and going. It wouldn't slow down.
Yeah.